Here's the Active 2.0 pressure washer. Let's unbox this guy. There we go. Got a little cover there. So I just bought the kit. That came just basically like a pressure washer, but it comes with this because the other one it comes with the hose and the tips and or the wand and stuff. I didn't need all that, so but here we go. Got all the stuff here, instructions and etc. And here's the plug. Okay, GFCI, long cord. Let's see here. Boom. There it is. There it is. 5-piston pump technology here. 1800 PSI. I was saying 2 gallons per minute. 16.9 pounds. Oh yeah. Not too shabby. Yeah. Brass fittings here, in and out. Ready to go, on, off. There it is, and then it tells you little things here and there. The M22 14mm connectors. Yeah, and then it has the spray tips there. So it says here the orifice is 3.7. Okay, nice. But there it is, guys. Yeah. Oh, let's check the bottom of it. All right, folks, unboxing of the Active 2.0 pressure washer. Looks real nice, pretty small. Can't wait to use it.